Yeah, so this is Bury St Edmunds on the A14. You've got the sugar factory that you're looking at there. Could be the last photo I take for the Bury St Edmunds photo album. I'm just considering whether to bother doing a nighttime version of this. It just depends on whether that's lit up or not. It looked quite a good image, I think, with the light trails. Yeah, that's it. Just come down a little bit further. Obviously get really close to the lorries here. But yeah, it'd be ideal at night time. Just set the tripod up here, lights going back and forth. But just depends whether that's lit up or not. But yeah, it's the British sugar factory, that is. Let's see what we've got today. So I refuse to bow down. That one. Modern day witch hunts. We love free speech. Woman, adult, human, female. Everything is transphobic. Oh, here we go. This is a good one. What should I call it? The poke in the arm. You paying. Poke in the arms and roosters. Get the facts for yourself. Go to Yellow Card UK. Yeah, so a bit of an alternative narrative there.